This is one of those desktop PCs that doesn't really ask for attention. It just quietly shows up, and then the moment you start using it, you realize you're dealing with something in a completely different performance category. At the center of this build is a combination that defines modern high-end computing. An Intel i9-14900K processor paired with an RTX 5090 graphics card with 32 GB of VRAM. That alone sets the tone. This isn't a system built for casual use or light gaming. This is designed for users who want everything pushed to the absolute limit without worrying about performance ceilings. And in real-world usage, that becomes very obvious very quickly. Starting with gaming performance, this machine handles modern AAA titles at 4K resolution with maximum settings enabled, and it does it in a way that feels almost effortless. Frame rates stay consistently high, even in demanding open-world environments with complex lighting, dense textures, and heavy effects. There's no noticeable stutter, no sudden dips, and no hesitation when transitioning between scenes. Everything feels locked in and stable. But what stands out more than raw frame rates is how relaxed the system feels while doing it. It's not being pushed to its edge during normal gaming scenarios, which tells you there is a massive performance headroom built into this configuration. Moving into creative workloads, the difference becomes even more noticeable. Video editing workflows, especially high-resolution timelines, remain smooth even when stacking multiple layers, effects, and color grading. Scrubbing through footage feels immediate, with almost no delay between input and response. For 3D rendering or simulation-based workloads, the system significantly reduces wait times compared to traditional high-performance setups. That's where the combination of CPU power, GPU acceleration, and fast storage really comes together. The system is equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 memory, which provides strong multitasking capability for both gaming and productivity workloads. Alongside that, a 2 TB PCIe SSD ensures extremely fast boot times, rapid application launches, and near-instant file transfers. Large project files open quickly, and switching between heavy applications feels seamless. Thermals are another critical part of any high-performance system, and this is where the liquid cooling solution plays an important role. Even under sustained load, the processor maintains stable temperatures without throttling performance. More importantly, the overall acoustic profile stays controlled. The system remains quieter than expected considering the hardware inside, which makes long gaming or editing sessions much more comfortable. Design-wise, the chassis follows a clean, modern aesthetic with a white finish that gives it a premium and minimal look. It is not overly aggressive or cluttered. Instead, it focuses on showcasing internal components in a structured layout, especially the GPU and cooling system. It's the kind of build that fits equally well in a gaming setup or a professional workspace. Connectivity is also well thought out. With Wi-Fi 6 support, wireless performance is fast and stable, making it suitable for high-speed gaming, streaming, and large file transfers. On top of that, the system includes a full range of modern I/O options, allowing multiple monitors, external storage devices, capture cards, and peripherals to be connected without limitations. Power is delivered through a 1000 WPSU, which is essential for maintaining stability at this performance level. It ensures that both CPU and GPU can operate at full capacity without power constraints. It also provides future upgrade headroom, which is important for a system built around top-tier components like this. What defines this desktop the most is not just its specifications, but the consistency of the experience. There are no moments where the system feels like it is struggling. No slowdowns when multitasking. No performance drops when pushing workloads. Everything feels immediate, responsive, and stable. That consistency is what separates high-end systems from truly enthusiast-grade machines. This is the type of desktop built for users who want long-term performance without compromise. Whether it is competitive gaming, content creation, streaming, or professional-level workloads, it is designed to handle everything without forcing any adjustments in workflow or expectations. At this level, you are not just buying performance. You are buying headroom, stability, and time. Time saved on rendering, time saved on loading, and time saved on waiting. And that is where this system really justifies itself. For full details and purchase information, the link is available in the description.